Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make easy sandwich recipe. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you. The first ingredient I have here is onion, pepper and green pepper. So chop your onion, and also chop the pepper. I'm using cayenne pepper. You can use any fresh pepper of choice. Slice your green pepper. Our green pepper is almost getting ripe. Then the next thing we are going to do is to saute this, and it was done behind the camera. And next we have our titus fish here. So I'm using the tinned titus fish. You can as well get the fresh fish or ice fish. Then you season and steam. So this is the fish. Make sure you debone the fish and mash very well. We also have chicken and egg sandwich. So this is fish sandwich. Just try it out if you've not before, and you are going to love this recipe so much. It's a delicious breakfast recipe you will love. So this is the already sauteed onion and pepper, so add it to the mashed fish. Then you mix everything together. Add your mayonnaise. So this is okay. Next we have sliced bread. So slice out the edges of the bread and make sure your bread is fresh. You guys are seeing this. So the next thing is to scoop in our filling. You can as well garnish with fresh tomatoes. So repeat the same process until you exhaust your bread. So this is a very easy breakfast recipe. You can try out this weekend, and guys, you're going to love it. It was so delicious. You guys notice I didn't add salt because the fish contains salt already. Okay? Guys, are you seeing this? Delicious. Make sure you try it out. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Bye.